The Neutripure DIY Body Wrap SPA formula for home use is an all-inclusive product that combines the nourishing properties of seaweed, healing clay, Garcinia cambogia, and Dead Sea salt. This unique blend offers a rejuvenating and detoxifying experience, promoting skin health and a sense of relaxation. Users can enjoy the convenience of a spa treatment in the comfort of their own homes. The combination of these natural ingredients is designed to provide a holistic approach to body care, making it a promising option for those seeking a convenient and effective at-home spa solution. This product is currently priced $23.90. Here we invite you to follow the review from Fire Reviewer channel. Salon quality treatment, ingredients previously only found at SPAs. Pamper and treat yourself to a salon-like experience. DIY value, mix and wrap with a few common household items. No need to purchase additional items. Remove stretch marks. Notice red stretch marks fade away after a single use. Large surface area. Cover a large skin surface area with a full body mask treatment. We're not just a tiny belly patch. Spike it. Supplement your body wrap with home ingredients suggested in our creation guide. Fast results. Experience firming and tightening results in as little as one treatment. This is not a weight loss product. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your personal opinion right below this video.